Today I want to show you how to revitalize an old Bullworker X5. A lot of these have been languishing in people's attics for the last 30 some odd years or so. This model is probably 40 years old. It's in reasonably good shape, but it does catch a little bit. It squeaks a little bit. So I want to give it a good internal cleaning and revitalize it. I might give it away as a gift. And unlike the new X5, which is designed to be taken apart so that you can change the strings, just hit myself in the lip. The older ones had a fixed spring and they weren't meant to be taken apart. But they can be taken apart, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. The basic construction is very good. There are these two grabber handles here, and the cap has little roller wheels inside so that the straps can move. But as you can see on this one, it is a bit jerky and stiff. I'm hoping that it's not damaged. If it's just dirty, we can address that with a little bit of compressed air, some WD-40, and some automotive paper towels. These are really good because they don't have a lot of lint. And basically, if we take the old Bullworker and compress the handle down a little bit, this should lift right out. Like that. Okay, so this is now, it's a spring on each side. Yeah, it's quite dirty inside. Looks like this piece is a little bent, which is not good. Spring is rusty and absolutely filthy. So it looks like basically this piece goes in here, this goes inside, and the same on the other side. Funny, this spring is in a lot better shape. You can see, hopefully, this one's got rust and grime. The tube itself is very, very dirty on one side and not so bad on the other. And the handles themselves are pretty dirty. Let me see if I can take off this top piece to access the rollers. So just pop that off. And there are rollers inside that don't turn anymore, which may explain a few things. See what the other side looks like. Dirty handles. This one out of 4 turns a little bit, and the others don't. So I'll start with the inner tube. Just give this some compressed air. You can see the stuff coming out the other side. And I'm just going to spray a little WD-40 on this. And just clean it out. I'll speed up the parts that are going to be boring. But basically I'm just going to work this in and twist as I go. And then do the same on the other side. Like that. centerpiece done. Do the handles. It's funny how this particular Bullworker seems to be in bad shape on only one side. I'm gonna tackle this spring next. I'm just gonna spray it down with WD-40 and let it sit for a few minutes. Luckily, I had the foresight to put down an old piece of cardboard. My wife's going to be proud of me. I'll let this one sit for a bit while I do the other one, which is in very good shape, surprisingly. Right, so these guides for the springs are also filthy. And this one is a little bit bent, so I'm going to see if I can bend that back without breaking it. See, it's bent right here. But it's not too bad. It looks like it was warped, probably from being in someone's attic. Temperatures in attics can get very high. I'd say this side's pretty much done. Let's take the other one and wipe that down, the other spring. Looking better already. A little bit of rust is not going to affect the performance, but I'm going to give it a little bit more WD-40 just as a lubricant. Clean this piece, put it back inside. So that's two ends done and the center. Now, the handles. Put those to the side. And we've got the mechanism here for the guides. So I'm just going to give this a little shot right on the, see the roller in there? It's not really moving loosely. So a little bit of W40 and then, wow, already that made a difference. I'm trying not to get the WD-40 on the actual strap. Let me do this side now. There we go. It's spinning now, which is nice. Do the other side. This side looks worse, but I'll just repeat the process. Other side. See, I'm trying to get the WD-40 on the ends here so it soaks in. Just a little. Just get it spinning. Made all the difference already. I could barely get it to turn before. Now, I've got it lined up. I'll just put one handle back on this side. Snaps right back into place. Do the same on the other side with the other handle. Snaps back into place. Now we'll put one end back in. Put the spring on the other side. Okay, here's the tricky part here. I might stand up for this one so I can get more leverage. Okay, it's back together. I'm going to just clean the outside. Okay, we lost a tiny bit of the power meter. That's all right. I just want to get a nice clean towel now and just wipe everything down and see how we get on with this. All right, it's looking a lot better. Seems to be, oh, much better, much smoother. Yeah. I can tell the squeak is gone. And there you go. Bringing a 40-year-old Bullworker back to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.